Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing great today. Today we are going to do my top 5 favorite highlighters. This has also been highly requested on my channel. So I have decided to do 2 top 5 highlighters videos. Today we are going to do high-end highlighters, and then I have another video coming up which will be drugstore or affordable category highlighters. So in this video, let's talk about some high-end highlighters. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Let's talk about some of my favorite highlighters. I am going to do a drugstore one, but I think these are my topmost favorites. And in the drugstore, there is just one more which is at par with the highlighters which I'm going to talk about today. So I'm very excited to share these with you. I don't have any highlighter on my face today. I'm going to demo all of them for you. I have 5 of them and we're going to talk about each and every one of them. Before we start the demo, let me show you the brushes also very quickly which I use for highlighting. These are my favorite. I have the Colourpop F10 brush. I have the Real Techniques setting brush. It's a really fluffy kind of a brush, really nice. The Colourpop one is a little bit more dense. It has an angle to it. Then I have the Colourpop F5 brush. It is also a little bit denser, but still it's a little bit fluffy too, so it applies highlighters very nicely. Then I have the Wet n Wild very pointy highlighter brush, very fluffy. This also highlights superbly. And then I have the Zoeva fan brush, which I actually don't really use too much. I prefer using these brushes, so I will recommend getting these kind of smaller detailed highlighter brushes instead of a fan brush. The first highlighter which I want to mention in today's video is this one from the Balm, the Bonnie Luminizer. If you're close to my skin tone, you should definitely try out this highlighter. I keep this in its packaging. It is so pretty and cute. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the highlighter looks like. This is a really nice complementary highlight for our kind of skin tone. It's a little bit more muted gold toned highlight, so this one complements my kind of tan skin tone very nicely. I also have this palette from the Balm. It has the very popular Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, and Betty, I think. Betty Luminizer, and these are the 3 highlighters in here. This is Mary Luminizer. If I compare this one to Mary Luminizer, this is Bonnie and this is Mary Luminizer. You can see the Bonnie Luminizer is a little bit more warmer and a little bit more deeper than Mary Luminizer. So I have never really liked Mary Luminizer on my skin tone. I prefer Bonnie Luminizer, and that's what I will recommend if you're close to my skin tone. Let's apply a little bit of Bonnie Luminizer. I will be using the Real Techniques setting brush. You don't really need a lot. It is pretty intense if you apply too much, so I always build up the highlight. Really smooth highlight, and you can see how well it blends with my skin tone, and it gives a really nice glow. You can intensify it much more. I stop at this, even I don't even apply this much, but I just want to show you guys the color and the intensity. It's really pretty. It's very smooth. It doesn't really have any kind of shimmer, glitter, nothing noticeable. If you go in a certain lighting, you may see a little bit of shimmer here and there, but for the most part it's very smooth. You will not see a lot of like shining, shimmering highlights. So that's why I really love this one. Okay, we have Bonnie Luminizer this side. This side we're going to apply another highlighter formula which I really love. Will highly recommend. This is one of the best highlighter formulas out there in the market. If you're looking for intense highlighter, intense smooth highlighter without any chunkiness, glitteriness, shimmeriness, it doesn't really have a lot of shimmer as well. It's very smooth. The Ofra highlighters. Now the problem with the Ofra highlighters is that I don't have the perfect highlighter for my skin tone. Like the Bonnie Luminizer which I have is really perfect for my skin tone. For this one I don't have the perfect one. This is Rodeo Drive, which is a little bit light for my skin tone, I feel. But I really like this one, Beverly Hills highlighter. Now this one is a wheel of colors, and everybody may not be comfortable buying this one, but if you get it, I am pretty sure you're not going to be disappointed with it because it has all the kind of tones you need. Now in this highlighter, I will show you a close-up here. You can see that there are these 3 colors. these are really complimentary on my skin tone, and this is where I usually keep my brush, and I get such a beautiful highlight when I just use these three colors. Now if you're lighter than me, then you can also use this palette very easily because it has lighter tones, deeper tones. So I think this is not going to be a bad purchase of a highlight because it has a lot of tones and the formulation is amazing. So let me show it to you guys with the Wet n Wild highlighter brush because the formulation is super intense, so I just need a very fluffy brush. So I will take these three. I just concentrate on the deepest shade a little bit more and then take it to the pinky highlight, and it's super intense, but the color is such that it will blend with the skin. The only issue with this one is that you will not be able to control the highlight color each and every time to the dot because you are mixing colors, so you may not get the exact shade every time, but it's up to you really. You have to just, you know, try mixing and matching and get that perfect shade. I have been using it for a long time, so I know how much color to take. So I am pretty happy with it, and the formulation is so super that yeah, I don't mind recommending it. Beautiful color, beautiful highlighter formula. Look at that sheen. It's super intense, smooth. Ofra highlighters are one of my top favorite highlighters. Look at that. I mean, it just meshes with the skin and it gives this beautiful glow. Okay, let's move on. I don't have any highlighter again on my face. I have cleaned it up. Let's talk about the next highlighter favorite. These are the Jouer powder highlighters. I love these highlighter formulas. This is how the packaging looks like. Really fancy mirror finish packaging. Very pretty highlighters. I have two of them. I have Topaz and Skinny Dip. I will give you a side by side of both the highlighters and then I'll tell you which one is my favorite. So this one is Topaz and this one is Skinny Dip. Both are very similar if you look at them, but I think I love Skinny Dip a little bit more because it has a little bit more warmth to it. And the formulation in both the highlighters is the same. They are extremely smooth. They are so easy to apply and they just give a very smooth highlighter. They don't really have that chunky, glittery, shimmery highlighter feel to it. Even if you go in certain lightings, they don't show up a lot of shimmer on the face. So I love that about these highlighters, and they give you a very smooth glow and shine. So let me apply Skinny Dip for you guys and show it to you. You don't have to like do too much. It's super intense. I actually don't really apply so much. Just for the demo I have taken a bit more in the brush so that you can see the color. I apply probably just half of what I've taken and then smooth it out on the skin, and it just gives a very beautiful glow. See how effortlessly it has blended. It just gives that smooth glow without looking very stripy. So that's Skinny Dip. Really pretty. The last highlighter I applied with this Colourpop brush. I will apply the next one also with this one. This is the Nabla powder highlighter. These are called the Nabla highlighter, just highlighter in the shade Sundance. Love this shade. It's such a beautiful goldy bronze rose gold kind of a color. It complements my skin tone really nicely, and this is also a very smooth highlight. I love those kind of highlighters which will just blend with the skin. I also have the Nabla skin glazing highlighter. These are also really pretty and nice, but I don't know why I prefer this formula. This is just super smooth. I love the shade of this one. These skin glazing highlighters are also really amazing. I love both of them and I will recommend them if you want to get something new from Nabla. But out of all the three which I have, I love this one the most. That's why I am mentioning this one, the Nabla powder highlighter in the shade Sundance, and it just complements my skin tone so nicely. I will use the Colourpop F5 brush again and apply this highlighter. This one also you don't really need much. It has that gold, rose gold, bronzy tone which looks very nice on my skin tone. So it has a slight bit of color. but still it just blends with the skin so nicely. Now again, I have applied more to show you guys. I don't apply this much, but you can see what I mean, that it just blends so nicely on the skin, and it gives such a nice glow. It's very smooth. Even in certain lightings you will not see that shimmer or a lot of glitter in this highlighter. So that's Nabla highlighter in Sundance. Love this highlighter just because it has a slight that hint of rose goldness about it, a hint of pink and gold. I think that looks really pretty. Okay, last highlighter formula, and again I don't have any highlighter on my face. Love the ABH highlighters, love them. I have a few different variants of them, and I just love all the kind of highlighters I have. So I think you can try ABH highlighters if you really want to try high-end highlighters. First one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter. It is so beautiful. It is a very interesting formula, interesting highlighter. The shade, when you look at it, it feels like will it work on me, but the shade is very unique. It will work on a lot of skin tones, and the color is not like, it's very light, so when you apply it you don't really get a very stark color on the face. You just get a very smooth highlight. I don't know how it works. It's a really interesting shade. Love the pattern and everything of this highlighter. The packaging, it's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's pretty intense though. It's pretty intense. If you are not into intense highlighters, you're not going to like it. It's not very easy to apply this subtly. Let's apply this with the Real Techniques brush. I will take just a little bit, just take a little bit, because it's pretty intense. And when you buff it out, it's just super smooth, and you can see it from space. It's so intense. The only thing is that you have to buff this highlighter out really well, blend it very well into the skin, then you will get a very smooth finish, and it's really pretty. You may see some shimmer here and there, but it's not too intense. It's not very shimmery. It's really nice and smooth. As I already mentioned, from the color of it, I never thought it will work on my skin tone, but it's so does. It will work on a lot of skin tones. So that's one ABH highlighter I love. I will not apply this one on the other cheek because I want to show you the other one which I really like. You can also get the ABH glow kits. They are amazing. I have the Dat Glow palette. They have another palette for tan skin tones. I will put it in the description box. That is also really nice. From this highlighter palette, I love this one. This is the gold bronze shade. Really pretty. All of them actually work pretty well on my skin tone, but I love this one, and I mix and match these three a lot. So let's apply gold and bronze on this part, this cheek. And this highlighters, the glow kit, it's possible to apply a little bit more subtly. If you take less amount, you can apply a subtle layer. This one also, it's so smooth. It will not give you any kind of shimmer, chunky glitter. Again, you may see some shimmer here and there, but for the most part it's very smooth. So that's another highlighter. This one definitely complements my skin tone much more better. It's a little bit more subtle, and this one is amazing. Okay, so that's golden bronze, one of my favorites from ABH highlighters. I even have this one. Oops, I was dropping it. I even have this one, the ABH Aurora Glow Kit. This is a colored highlighter formula. This is also really nice. I like it a lot. I use it on, like, for eyeshadow. I don't really use it on the face. It's more for an eyeshadow look that I use. The quality in that one is also really good. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Those are all of my favorite high-end highlighters, and I will definitely recommend all of them. Do let me know which is your favorite high-end highlighter. I would love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will come with the drugstore version very soon. Until then, see you. Bye bye.